Meet Ms. Mila Sophia Finn, an AI influencer with 196K followers on Instagram. Next, meet Ms. Bermuda Isbea, another AI influencer with 221,000 followers on Instagram. And finally, introducing Ms. Aitana Lopaz, who has been featured in Fortnite magazine as the most beautiful AI influencer on Instagram, amassing 327,000 followers. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a software tool that allows you to create your own AI influencer, or even use your own image to generate various types of content for free. Stick with me till the end, and let's dive right in.
This software's USP is you can create photorealistic models. As you can see in community feed, they have created different models. This software mainly aims at creating your Instagram profile for an influencer, for an AI influencer, which are very much in vogue at this moment. So first things first, go to this login section and log in with your Gmail or email account. So you'll have to go to the link given in the description and you'll have to sign up or log in with your Gmail or email account. After this, go to this create portrait model option. Once you start using it, you will be having 80 credits for free, and if you go to upgrade option, you see you get 80 credits per day. Okay, and if you want further credits, 5,000 credits per month, you can get out of $8 only. Here you can see there are two things. One is you can upload your own image, or you can create an AI influencer generator. So you can use AI to generate your influencer. Here I'll be choosing my own model. You may either pick a face from here, or I can upload from my own. I'm uploading my own image and open. Okay, and go to save. And here you will have to give the name. I'll give it as Paul. Okay. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. With that, create image model now option. Now, once you go there, you get a couple of options in the left hand side. Now here, first thing is you can get image to video option, video face swap option, and talking avatar option. And under image option, this comes under video. If you want to create a video, then you can go for either image to video, like you can generate a video out of this image. You can do face swap, means I can swap my face with some other face, or some other image I can take and I can swap my face as well. Otherwise, you can create lip sync video with this. And then in image model, we have this build your own model, and you have complete set, you have expert, and you have image face swap option. Now I would like to go for the first option first. Here, if I come, I have different styles. You can choose any of these styles. I am taking realistic style. Next is architecture. What background or ambience do you want your image to be staying in? I want to choose this private jet option. Next, landscape. You can choose any of these landscapes, but since I have already chosen an architecture, I'm not choosing a landscape because that will be contradictory. Then age. So I would like to choose middle-aged. Clothing. I want to have a suit. And then weather. Weather should be sunny day. You have the options to choose from here, where you can choose the aspect ratio in the bottom right hand side corner, and then hit generate. Now from this setup, we have got these 4 images. So if you like these images, you can straight away download it. So next, what we are going to explore is this expert version, when you don't have any image reference, then you can use this. So we will just go ahead and type one simple prompt here. So I have given this prompt: a beautiful girl, blue eyes, reddish brown hair, intellectual looking, sitting in a coffee shop, wearing a green formal shirt, wearing glasses, working on her laptop. Now you can give a negative prompt as well, and then you'll have to select the aspect ratio from the bottom right hand side corner and then hit generate. And here I will again select 16:9 and hit generate. They have used the same picture which was uploaded here, and they have created these 4 images. Now let us create one talking avatar. Now go to this talking avatar option, and here you have 2 options. Either you can select from your content. In content you have 3 options: your personal or community. Let me select from community. Otherwise you can upload your own image. Now you will have to upload the audio. So I will be uploading one audio script from 11 Labs which I have generated. So click here to upload the audio. Click here again and upload the audio and open. Also, so if I hit generate, so I'm going to show you one alternative. Go to D-ID. So here you'll have to go to DID, and then you'll have to go to upload section. You may choose any of these images. I'll go ahead and choose this image, and then you'll have to go to, you should select here fit option from here, okay, and then go to script, go to audio. Here either you can record your audio or upload. I'll go to upload the audio.
In today's tutorial, I'll introduce you to an all-in-one software that lets you generate AI images, create AI influencers, convert images to videos, make talking avatars, do face replacement, stylize images, and much more. Stay tuned for a surprise tip at the end on how to start a side hustle with just this software. Let's dive in.
Now I'm creating another avatar. Here I've taken waterfall ambience. I've taken a landscape as well, Tory landscape, and then I have taken this realistic model. With that I will hit generate. Okay, after stylizing, these are the results. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.